Hey, it's Joe Glines from AUTOHOTKEY, and you're about to watch a video on our Intro to RegEx course. It's unedited and uncut, so I'm going to let you jump to it. At the back of it, we have an offer and a link to 4 more of our course videos that are all free. They're just unlisted on YouTube, so stick around to the end to get that link and to get a drip campaign, which tells you more about regular expressions. Cheers.
One of the tools that I use the most for regular expression testing and matching is RegEx101. This website is really cool because it lets you put some string in here and some regular expressions at the top that allow you to see how your expression is matching at the moment or whether it's matching or not. So let's say I have the word house here, and if I say house here, you will see how things get highlighted as you match, right? And it lets you know if something doesn't match. In this case, we have 2 different strings because of the case sensitivity, and now it is not being highlighted. So it's a very, very quick way for you to put some text in there, try to build your regular expression. It is a very quick way for you to put some text string, build your regular expression, and see it live as it is matching, and test it in multiple ways. So during this script, I'm going to go ahead and use RegEx101 to demonstrate most of what we're going to be talking about. Not only that, this tool, the reason why I use it that much, especially when I'm teaching other people, is that we have explanations here on the right side, which gives you exactly what is happening character by character. You can look at each of the matching patterns character by character if you want it. But not only that, it also gives you information about what matched, especially if you have grouping enabled. It gives you information about each of the groups and other things that we will see as we go as well. The best part of this is that if you forgot about something, you can go ahead and look at the quick reference down here. And that usually not only allows you to search the reference for simple stuff, like, for example, what if I want to match a character, right? It goes ahead and filters by that, right? And now on the right side, you can see how you can use that, okay? So, well, what if I want to match a white space character? Well, there it is. So we are going to be looking at all of that in detail during the course and how to do these types of matching and so on. But if you forgot, you can just come back here and look up what you want. And you can look it up by topic, and you can look it up individually as well. So if you want to step up your game, this is a very good tool that you can be using just to at least learn and understand regular expressions a lot better.
All right, so I hope you enjoyed that first video. RegEx are very powerful, very cool. I'm going to put a link up here and in the description of this video on how to sign up for that drip campaign I mentioned. It'll get your email address. And yes, we're going to have, I think, around 5 to 10 emails where we populate 4 more of these videos, as well as have other resources like to a great cheat sheet, other resources online, and other tools you might use in regular expressions. And we also offer 30% discount to our course. So all that is available if you sign up for that. Give us your email address and sign up for that. We won't use it. It's not even going to be used for anything else. That's all it's used for. Hope you enjoyed that. If you learned something here, please like the video. It really helps us out. Cheers.